Are you tired of waiting for months to start selling products online? Want to tap into the power of Amazon and TikTok to grow your dropshipping business fast? In this video, we're going to show you how to start selling quickly and efficiently using the TikTok Shop dropshipping method on Amazon. You'll learn the secrets to finding profitable products, creating viral ads, and scaling your business to 6 figures and beyond. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced seller, this video will give you the strategies and tips you need to succeed in the world of e-commerce. So, what are you waiting for? Start selling fast with Amazon and TikTok Shop dropshipping today. Join me as I take on the challenge of launching a dropshipping business using Amazon and TikTok Shop, and see if I can start selling fast. Dropshipping is a business model where you, as the seller, don't hold any inventory. Instead, you partner with suppliers who ship products directly to your customers. This eliminates the need for upfront inventory investments and warehousing costs, making it an attractive option for budding entrepreneurs. When paired with platforms like Amazon and TikTok Shop, dropshipping has the potential to generate quick sales due to their massive audiences and streamlined operations. Strategies for successful dropshipping on Amazon and TikTok Shop. Success in dropshipping depends on selecting the right products, implementing effective marketing strategies, and capitalizing on each platform's unique strengths. Here's how to achieve that on Amazon and TikTok Shop. Criteria for winning products. Trending and high demand. Look for products that are gaining popularity. Use tools like Google Trends, TikTok Trends, or Amazon's Movers and Shakers list. Low competition, high margin. Target niche products with fewer sellers and higher profit potential. TikTok-friendly products. Choose visually appealing, demonstrable, or unique products that can go viral, e.g., gadgets, beauty items, or home decor. Lightweight and easy to ship. Minimize shipping costs by selecting lightweight and compact items. Examples of dropshipping-friendly products: innovative kitchen gadgets, fitness accessories, personalized or aesthetic home items, beauty tools and skincare devices, seasonal or holiday-themed items. Marketing tactics. On Amazon, SEO-optimized listings use relevant keywords in titles, bullet points, and descriptions. Tools like Helium 10 can help identify the best keywords. Professional images and videos. High-quality visuals increase trust and conversions. Amazon PPC ads. Run sponsored ads targeting specific keywords and competitor products to drive traffic. Customer reviews. Encourage positive reviews through excellent service and follow-up emails. On TikTok Shop, creative content. Focus on storytelling, tutorials, and entertaining demonstrations to showcase your product. Use trending TikTok sounds and challenges for higher engagement. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with micro-influencers in your niche to promote products authentically. Use TikTok ads. Run paid ads targeting specific demographics or interests. Formats like Spark ads, boosting organic posts, can drive more visibility. Engage your audience. Respond to comments and DMs to build trust and encourage purchases. Leveraging TikTok's viral potential. TikTok's algorithm makes it easier for small accounts to go viral if the content resonates with the audience. Content ideas. Before and after transformations show how your product solves a problem or improves something. How-to videos. Quick tutorials demonstrating product use. Reaction videos highlight customer reactions or reviews of your product. Challenges and trends. Create or join challenges that incorporate your product. Key TikTok tips. Post frequently. Consistency improves your chances of going viral. Hook viewers early. Capture attention within the first 3 seconds. Use hashtags wisely. Combine trending hashtags, hashtag TikTok made me buy it, with niche-specific tags. Order fulfillment and customer experience. Efficient fulfillment is crucial for long-term success. For Amazon, use reliable suppliers with fast shipping, e.g., AliExpress suppliers with warehouses near your target market. Keep an eye on inventory levels to prevent stockouts. For TikTok Shop, leverage TikTok's integrated shop features to streamline transactions. Offer multiple payment options and flexible return policies. Analytics and optimization. Regularly analyze performance data to improve your strategies. Amazon tools. Use tools like Jungle Scout or AMZ Scout to track sales trends, ad performance, and customer behavior. TikTok analytics track metrics like views, engagement, and conversion rates to identify what resonates with your audience. A/B testing experiment with different product ads, captions, or content styles to find what works best. Anna, a 25-year-old entrepreneur from the UK, decided to start a side hustle in 2023 using TikTok Shop and Amazon FBM, fulfilled by merchant. Her goal was to capitalize on trending products and leverage TikTok's viral potential. Anna identified a trending product: portable LED nail dryers. Why this product? Rising interest in DIY beauty products. Compact, lightweight, and affordable, ideal for TikTok Shop. High engagement potential for TikTok content due to its visual appeal. She sourced these dryers from a reliable supplier on Alibaba, ensuring fast shipping to her target audience in the UK and the USA. Marketing on TikTok. Anna created a TikTok account and posted 3-5 videos daily. Short demonstrations showing how to use the LED nail dryer. Before and after videos of manicures with trending sounds. A 5-minute DIY nail hack video that gained 500k views in 48 hours. Engagement tactics. She responded to comments, showing enthusiasm and answering product-related questions. She encouraged viewers to check out her TikTok shop directly from the video. Amazon fulfillment. Anna listed the product on Amazon under the FBM model to handle TikTok-driven traffic. Used SEO-friendly titles: portable LED nail dryer for DIY manicures, compact and fast curing lamp. Highlighted TikTok success in the product description. Launched Amazon PPC ads targeting LED nail lamp and DIY manicure kits. One viral video brought 1,200 orders via TikTok Shop in 1 week. Average conversion rate, 8%. After redirecting TikTok viewers to Amazon, sales increased by 60%. Positive reviews on Amazon boosted her ranking, leading to additional organic traffic. In her first month, Anna generated £15,000 in revenue with a 40% profit margin. Key insights from Anna's success: viral content can create immediate demand for visually appealing and problem-solving products. Amazon's role in trust and scalability. Amazon listings offered credibility, convenience, and scalability for customers outside TikTok. Posting multiple TikTok videos daily, each with unique angles, maximized her chances of going viral. Anna gifted nail dryers to micro-influencers who created authentic, user-generated content, further boosting visibility. Anna's story highlights the effectiveness of combining TikTok Shop's viral potential with Amazon's trusted platform for quick sales and sustained growth. Build a recognizable brand by creating consistent branding across platforms. Diversify product offerings based on customer feedback and market trends. Focus on excellent customer service to build loyalty and gain repeat customers. By mastering product selection, leveraging TikTok's viral potential, and optimizing Amazon's fulfillment capabilities, you can create a thriving dropshipping business with quick sales and long-term growth. Amazon offers a vast marketplace with millions of active shoppers daily. By utilizing Amazon's Fulfilled by Merchant (FBM) model, you can sell products without ever handling the inventory. TikTok Shop integrates e-commerce with viral content. By creating engaging videos and leveraging TikTok's algorithm, you can showcase products directly to users who are likely to buy them on impulse. The synergy between Amazon and TikTok Shop can be game-changing for quick sales. This combination allows entrepreneurs to tap into TikTok's trend-driven user base while leveraging Amazon's infrastructure for reliable order fulfillment. Analytics and improvement. Optimize product listings and marketing strategies using data insights. Tools for tracking performance. TikTok Shop Analytics monitor sales, traffic, and conversion rates. TikTok Insights analyze video performance, e.g., views, watch time. Google Analytics track referral traffic from TikTok to external websites. Legal and compliance ensure compliance with TikTok's and Amazon's policies. Follow TikTok's advertising and community guidelines. Amazon terms. Avoid violating reseller policies or intellectual property rights. Data protection. Adhere to GDPR if dealing with UK, EU customers. Scaling the business. Expand operations and increase profitability. Build brand presence. Develop a unique brand identity. Use TikTok Shop's branding features, e.g., store badges. Have you tried dropshipping before? Or are you considering starting your own journey with Amazon or TikTok Shop? Share your experiences, challenges, or questions in the comments below. I'd love to help you out. And don't stop here. Check out my other videos for more tips, tricks, and strategies to skyrocket your dropshipping success. Let's build something amazing together. Hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Let's crush those dropshipping goals.